Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to cover presentation skills. Most students think presentation skills are about speaking English fluently, but what if I tell you that's not the real problem? The real issue is something else, and today we are going to uncover it. I once saw a student who knew everything about the topic, but when it was the time to present, they couldn't even say a complete sentence. And on the other hand, another student with average knowledge gave an amazing presentation. So, what made the difference? Today, I will tell you what is the difference, how to present a topic. It's not about fluency, it's not about how fluent you are in English. So, what are presentation skills? So, if I explain in simple words, presentation skills are your ability to express your ideas clearly, speak confidently, and engage your audience. It's basically the art of making people understand you and stay interested while listening to you. What is meant by this? By this means that when we say express your ideas clearly, you have to express your ideas clearly. Whatever your topic is, आप जाए उस पर सर्च करें, आप आइडियाज कलेक्ट करें, आप उसको एक प्रॉपर वेल ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से लिखे एंड देन कम with your ideas. Speak confidently. Speak confidently means whenever you try to speak, at that time your voice should be clear. Speak confidently means you have to speak confidently. No hesitation, maintain eye contact. Your voice should be clear and louder. And engage your student. You can engage your students by asking them different questions. You can ask them a question related to your topic. If suppose your topic is communication skills or writing skill, you can ask them, do you have any idea about writing skills? Yeah, do you know about communication skills? Yeah, you can ask them another question like, how are you all? How was your weekend? What's up? And then you can engage them. So the basically the art of making people understand you and they interest while listening to you. Whenever you engage your audience, whenever you try to talk to them, whenever you try to engage them, वो आपके साथ attentively आपकी presentation को सुनते हैं. चाहे आप कोई teacher है, चाहे आप कोई student है, चाहे आप presentation कहीं पे भी कर रहे हैं, आप public speaking कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे भी, जब भी आप अपने ऑडियंस को जब तक engage नहीं करेंगे, वो attentively आपकी presentation को नहीं सुनेंगे. Now let's come towards mistakes. First, reading directly from slides or paper. स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि वो डायरेक्टली कोई सा भी पेज लेकर आते हैं या फिर स्लाइड्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं, उसी से रीडिंग करते हैं. सो दैट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक यू शुड अवॉइड. द सेकंड थिंग इज के स्पीकिंग टू फास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नर्वसनेस. या तो वो बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट बात करते हैं या फिर बहुत स्लो डाउन. कि जब आप उनसे कोई सवाल पूछते हैं या उनका कोई प्रेजेंटेशन टॉपिक है तो वो कहेंगे आएंगे, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय नेम इज दिस and I am from this department, my semester is this, today I am going to cover up this topic, and फिर वो शुरू हो जाते हैं, वो डिटो कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं. दूसरा मिस्टेक जो वो करते हैं वो नर्वस होते हैं, ना वो आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन कर पाते हैं, ना वो डिलीवर करते हैं वो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो उनको पता होती है, बस वो शुरू हो जाते हैं. द थर्ड मिस्टेक इज नो आई कांटेक्ट एट ऑल. स्टूडेंट्स जो मिस्टेक कमिट करते हैं दे नेवर मेंटेन आई कांटेक्ट विद द ऑडियंस. Maintaining eye contact with the audience is necessary in presentations. When you maintain a strong eye contact with your audience, तभी आपको पता चलेगा ना कि आपके ऑडियंस अटेंटिव है कि नहीं है, वो आपको सुन भी रहे हैं कि नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कि वो मोबाइल फोन यूज करते हैं. आप लेक्चर डिलीवर करोगे, वो बिजी होंगे मोबाइल फोन यूज करने में या वो एक दूसरे के साथ चिट चैट करेंगे. सो this was these were the common mistakes. And sometimes students just memorize everything, and if they forget one line they completely stop. These things make presentations weak, and if your content is good, जब भी आप सारी चीजें इंटायरली मेमोराइज करते हो, आप रट्टा मारते हो, तो जब आप खड़े होते हो, आप अपने सामने ऑडियंस को देखते हो, आप उनको फेस करते हो, व्हेन यू मेंटेन आई कांटेक्ट विद देम, आप ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ब्लैंक हो जाते हो, क्योंकि जितना कुछ आपने रट्टा मार लिया था, आपने मेमोराइज कर लिया था, ऑब्वियस सी बात है वो तो आप भूल गए. व्हाट आर दैट स्टेप्स और व्हाट कैन यू डू टू improve these mistakes or these common mistakes? One thing I always prefer or I always suggest that don't try to memorize everything word by word. There is no need to memorize everything word by word कि आप जाए और हर एक सिंगल वर्ड को रट्टा मारे. Instead, what you can do, understand your topic so well that you can explain in your own words, just like you are explaining something into a friend. Yeah, just like something you are explaining to a friend. All of the students who are sitting in front of you are actually your classmates. Now whenever you try to present being a student, तो जो भी लोग आपके सामने बैठे होते हैं वो आपके students होते हैं. Another important thing is practice. Practice daily. Practice again and again. Go stand in front of mirror and practice, but not just silent practice. Practice by speaking out loud. Practice in front of your siblings, practice in front of your friends, practice in front of your classmates. Try to improve eye contact. Maintain eye contact. It shows confidence even if you are a little nervous inside. Can I forget about your body language? Body language matters a lot. Stand straight, use natural hand movements, and avoid looking down again and again. आप जब भी प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू करते हो मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं, वो जाते हैं डाइस के सामने खड़े हो जाते हैं, बस इधर उधर फिर नहीं जाते. योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज मैटर्स अ लॉट. आप स्ट्रेट खड़े हो, आप नेचुरल हैंड मूवमेंट यूज करें, आप डाउन देखना बंद कर दे, आप एक ही तरफ देखना बंद करें. अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन करें. आप जितना ही आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन करोगे ऑडियंस के साथ, उतना आपके ऑडियंस आपके साथ इंगेज होंगे. वो हेड नॉडिंग करेंगे, इसके अलावा आपको यस और नो में आंसर भी देंगे, और आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशंस को एंजॉय भी करोगे. सबसे ज्यादा जो मेन इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, stop thinking that the people are there to judge you. Instead, think that you are there to share something useful. The small mindset shift can really change your confidence level. अगर आप ये सोचे कि you are there to share something useful, and of course आपने जो टॉपिक सर्च किया है वो समथिंग यूजफुल ही होगा ना, तो आप ये सोचना बंद ही कर दे कि ओ व्हाट विल पीपल थिंक, my teacher is there to judge me, my classmates will judge me, oh I'm not that much fluent in English, I can't speak fluent English. So ये सारी चीजें आप जो है बंद कर दें. Now let me give you a proper examples. Okay, for example, if you are explaining a topic in class, just imagine you are teaching your classmates something helpful. Automatically your tone become more natural and your fear reduce. आप जब भी कोई भी टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करते हैं अपने क्लासमेट्स के सामने, हमारे एक टीचर थे तो वो हमें कहते थे कि मैं जब भी प्रेजेंटेशन देती थी तो मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि मेरे सामने गोभी के खेत बैठे हुए हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो एक्चुअली गोभी है. तो आप लोग भी यही सोचे कि जो आपके क्लासमेट्स है दे आर योर फ्रेंड्स, वो आपके फ्रेंड्स है, वो आपको जज नहीं करेंगे, आपके टीचर्स आपको जज नहीं करेंगे. Obviously, why would someone judge you? Now let's come towards the different activities. Activity number 1, you have to speak for 1 minute. Choose any of the topic and speak for 1 minute. The topic can be my favorite teacher, my daily routine, importance of time, my first day at university, or my first day at school, my first day at college. So, your activity number 1 is you have to speak for 1 minute. The second activity is improve delivery. How to improve delivery? Practice in front of a mirror and focus on eye contact, clear voice, natural gestures. So, you have to maintain eye contact, your voice should be clear and natural gestures. Activity number 3 is record yourself and check how many times you say like. Most of the time in presentation what people do that they use such words, so try to reduce them step by step. Activity number 4 is structure practice, like pick a topic and divide it into introduction, main body and conclusion. Practice it again and again in front of mirror, in front of your siblings. Today we learned that presentation skills are not about being perfect, they are about being clear, confident and connected with your audience. If you start applying these small techniques, you will see a big difference, not in just presentations but in your overall communication skills. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more videos on learning tips. And tell me in the comments what is the biggest problem you face during presentations. I will see you in the next video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.